Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on World Nature Conservation Day. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated every year on July 28th. This special day is all about protecting our planet and its natural resources. It reminds us to take care of the environment and keep it clean. We can help by recycling and using less plastic. Planting trees and saving water are also great ways to protect nature. Conserving nature helps keep animals and plants safe. It's important to learn about how to reduce pollution. Everyone can make a difference by being kind to the earth. On this day, people all over the world join hands to save nature. Together, we can make our planet a beautiful place to live. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.